We have pork chops, butter, honey, vinegar, garlic, minced garlic, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and green onions. So hey, cookaholics, I hope you're all doing great. Chef Kendra here. We're making garlic honey pork chops. Let's do what we do and make it happen. In this pan, over medium heat, we have a bit of olive oil and pork chops with minced garlic, salt, and pepper. We're going to cook the pork chops until they're done, flipping once. I have a top on here to prevent splashing. It's not all the way on, I have a little bit cracked. Once they're golden brown and fully cooked on both sides, we're going to remove them to a plate. Next, we're going to add some butter to our pan. By the way, this is the non-stick pan. We're going to stir the butter into the olive oil and scrape up the pork chop bits. That's flavor. Next, we're going to add our chopped garlic, chopped green onions, stir that in. Good. Now the vinegar. Next, we're going to get this honey in. We're going to give this pan a good stir. The water. Now let's add the pork chops back in the pan. We're going to spoon the sauce over the chops and turn the heat off. Sprinkle the rest of the green onions on top. To find this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's it for now. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.